Easter, everyone. Daddy is hiding the eggs. Busy kids, bunny. Tails. We got this one. Last grocery shopping. So the kids would have to do a Easter egg hunt here in the house. So cute. Time check. Very early pa. Dark. Oh, dark. Dad is trying to hide it. Ako nagmata na. Hide it before the kids wake up na. Yes, wake up already. Happy Easter sa tanan. He is rising. The birds are so happy. Happy Easter. Pabalik sa amahan sa ilang kwarto. Ng mata. Good morning. Not yet. Daddy's still hiding. Mommy just checking up on you guys. Good morning. Happy Easter. Hello.
You guys asleep? You better be asleep.
Hello. Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Which one do you want?
We want them to have an Easter egg hunt in the house.
That's all the eggs you get.
Oh! You ready?
Ready? Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
Ready to hunt for some eggs?
Hello. Go! Hello.
I find it.
Oh. Good job. Oh.
I find it. That's a ball. That's all I find.
You found.
Wow, Matthias so fast. Yeah, because Ezekiel. Go, Ezekiel, go. Go, Ezekiel. Daddy's teaching ng Ezekiel.
Look behind Ellie.
Hello! He's hiding. Hiding in there. Yep. Yay.
That's pretty good.
The pretty egg. Hello. Da-da-da-da-da. Hello. It's pretty. That's a special egg. Uh-oh. He found it.
Okay, I will.
Did he give it to Ezekiel?
Yeah.
It's a special egg. The one with chicks and... Oh, he found it.
No, it's time.
So there's the one in the plants. Yay! Wait, no, something mo naman. Yellow, yellow.
Fish.
Hello?
Come on.
You get a pink
Go
there,
on.
Matthias? In the plants? Eggs in there.
There's one.
That special egg. Hello? Did you give it to Ezekiel?
Yes.
Oh, you're so nice. Oh,
No, you can have it. Because
Oh.
you have little.
that's so nice, Matthias. Washing machine.
There's a carrot.
Carrot. Oi, oi.
It's not it. It's only a toy.
I know, but it's a form of carrot. Go give it to your brother, love.
What's your table?
Very clutter area.
Keep passing it.
Uh-oh.
There.
Go, 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 go.
Ezekiel.
Carrot there.
Ezekiel, over here.
Go over there.
Come here, Ezekiel.
Ezekiel, go over here. Matthias, go get a one. Let me see. Another carrot.
Put that in your bed.
Aww.
8 over 8.
What you got?
9 over 8.
Wow.
Wow. Look, brother give you the carrot one. One. Really. They're tricky ones.
There's birds there.
In there.
It's not in there.
Tricky, tricky. Up. I see it.
There's more than just one.
Look. Ezekiel can see right away. It's very quano.
Ta-da.
Ezekiel, keep looking around.
I need
You
one
found it.
more. I need two.
Yay!
Three
Good
more.
job. Look, 3 more? There's gonna be a lot.
And I can see them all right now.
Wow! In the book!
2 more.
2 more, Ezekiel.
Big click.
Wala.
Look.
Daddy, give a clue. So there's 1 more?
You might need a whole army to find these last.
Whole army. What? Ah, nice clue, Dad. Good clue.
I got that one.
Got it. That's it, love.
Take care of this.
Hold There's something in the closet. Good job, boys. Let's go. Go, go, go. Miracle Letters. Ang atong playroom. Hey, there's no more in the bathroom. Saan ba taan eh?
Or into
There's some over here. There's 1 or 2 in there.
Hi, why you put in a room?
I need more.
What
You
for
didn't eat
lunch?
for lunch.
Look, you don't know. What? It's in your lunchbox. Good job. No more na, no more. Oh.
Special egg.
That's not included.
Not a special egg.
Yep.
That's not one of those eggs.
No more. End of our Easter egg hunt. Oh.
These don't go stepping on any eggs.
There's more? Oh, don't step. Step. Look.
Turn around.
I find it there.
Don't step
Did
down
it?
the eggs. They're sharing.
This.
On the shoe.
Yay. Good job, boys.
Well, I think that's the end of it.
Yep. And thank you guys for sharing each other. When there's one is less and you share. Good job.
2, 3,
Ay, good job.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
8.
9,
Ay, very good, Daddy.
10,
10.
11,
It's just after. Then Matthias. But it's the same time. 13. You got 13. Oh, the same. Wow. Go say here. You're a tie. Go say Happy Easter here. Oh, high five. High five. Go say Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Guys. Hoy. Boys. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Cheese.
Now, can we open them?
Maybe one because we need to breakfast. Yeah? Cheese, ani mama. Boys. Cheese. Ito. Cheese. Wow, good job. It means you both winner. Ah!
Both winner.
Yep. This is 13 each. Wow, good job. 6, 8, 13. Or you guys will eat later. Because it's good that there's no sugar first.
I'll find it in there.
Yep.
Just the last.
Matthias saw this one. Why there is a bunny here? This is the last special one today?
Yeah.
Just put it there for now, Matthias. This is Easter. This in the with the eggs, huh? Good job. Good eye. That's a special one. Happy Easter! They missed 1 egg. Look. Matthias saw it in the baking area. Ay, he didn't even see it. I didn't. Hello. Ezekiel right away get it, bo. Look. This is stripy one.
He went out.
Yeah. Ezekiel win. But you know what, guys? Matthias saw it in the baking area.
Mommy.
And then Ezekiel run it and get it. Good job.
Mommy.
Matthias, you're just such a good boy letting your brother get it. Good job. Breakfast na sila before mag-eat sa ilahang mga Easter egg. Uy, spell bang kanak? Here, let me. Spell, be careful. Sige na, eat na. Mamahaw ta guys. Love, your coffee is in that one, love. Coffee area. Your coffee is there. In there. The one with the bridal tape. Mine is there. Mahaw ta guys. Mamahaw. Ang ganda ng kape ni Manang. Mga pe. Ang ganda na si Manang. Behind the scene kay kalkagar sa buhok tayo sa buntag.
Show Grandma your bedroom.
Oh, that's cute. Oh. Yeah, it's cute. Oh, got piñata, oh. Cute.
Well, the bulls are here.
Those electric balloon things.
Yeah.
Oi! Oi! Hala, dance, dance, dance. Eloise! Happy birthday! Eloise! Uy! Mag-dance! Dance, dance, dance! What?
She's totally a boy girl, where she just likes because of the boy.
Matias, let Eloise open, ha?
What is that?
Let's do a video. Let's do a video, Mom.
There's...
RSV, come your way.
There's something in there. Matias put it in.
Oh, so cute. Want to help?
She just interested in the eggs.
Oh, that's it. Yeah. Did I? Oh, no. Wow. Matthias, you're so kind.
Yeah, he's just been putting tiny stuff in there with crayons and just paper. Crayons.
Well, he does those.
Crayon. Paper. So she could draw. That's what's in there.
Oh, another one.
It's gonna be your favorite. That's the thing. Yeah. We're all the time. Coloring in this box, like really going through this. I said, now I know what I'm
He said,
Yeah. I told him. He's like, yeah.
Yeah.
can you say thank you to Matthias? And
Ezekiel.
Wait, look. Wait, there's more stuff. Eloise, look. Do you want to put it on? Oh, I
Eloise.
That's so cute. Put up everything.
And she has a gift.
Yay!
That's so pretty. Oh, he posts pretty. Oh, so pretty. Okay. Oh, cool. You blow on it? Oh.
Wow.
I told you.
She likes
I
it.
said it's your favorite present. Eloise, do you want to open another? Wow! That is so cool. You might have to take
Okay, Matthias, come on.
Matthias, come on. Dana. Eloise likes it.
She likes
The crayon. Yeah.
Okay, open this.
Nice shirt.
From Grandma and Grandpa.
I thought I was going He's like, I can't say anything.
It's like, what is Eloise's face?
Of course, you're gonna after opening up. I know.
Oh! Oh!
That was a
We
great
cover them up.
That was so perfect.
We cover them up.
You want it
Oh! That's cute.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, good job, Mom. Mom sent me the link. They might be taped. Oh, no. I love that. Just drop it. Okay, you want to It makes bubbles.
It's a bubble.
Woohoo! Wow.
It needs bubbles. But
Those
it's got
people
that.
drink after like 5 years.
That's the one thing I learned from having
Forever.
my mom. With the three-
Hey, hey.
No, that's cute. Oh, that's really big. That's cute.
They really like rubber chicken my
Hey, hey. It adds up. Hey, hey.
Is that in
Want
Moana?
out? Okay. Oh, that's so cute.
Boy, yeah. Hey, hey, it's a boy.
Who's that?
Mario.
Mario. Mario. That's cute.
Now it's
Yeah. That's cute.
very big. Like a
And then I put the picture. Oh.
Good job.
dun, dun,
Big question on the kids.
dun.
Whoa, what's inside?
Good job.
Whoop.
She's got to go.
It's right here. That's
Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
Look, this one is.
Whoa. Perfect for summer.
Here, should we take it out?
It's so cool.
Oh.
Thank you.
What's that? What's that?
Banana cake.
A carrot? I've never seen
Oh.
If she freezes, you never freeze.
Oh. No.
Fire!
The kids
Nasa Elsa, oh. Mowing na si Elsa. Elsa. Hi, Elsa is mowing. Ezekiel. Hi. Eloise. Crazy.
Oh, we need the bubbles. Oh, are you guys lifting that up?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Hopefully, is it just spilling? You can't look. Oh, you can't look. But it's
What?
on. But it's on.
Go. So auntie could pick up video for Eloise.
You can't look.
Yummy carrots.
Okay.
You wait, Ezekiel.
Even
Whoop.
not in the right way.
Whoop.
He's peeking.
Are you picking? Did you pick?
You going.
Ah.
I got it on video.
Yeah.
Don't peek. Use the
Up.
nose.
Let's see.
Yep.
Oh, wow, that's good. It's perfect like the line. Good job. It's not
It's okay. Everyone did so far. You didn't know? That's okay.
You and Daxon, oh look. Good.
You can peek. Everyone else did. Yeah. Good job.
Yay.
They
Good job,
can see
Matthias.
past that. You did all of it.
Good
Good.
job.
So first off, one.
Please, you gotta get dizzy, man.
Close your eyes. Good job, buddy.
Oh.
I'm gonna have him do it again.
Oi. Let's see.
Oh no.
I have my eyes closed.
Good job.
Oh, he closed his
Okay,
eyes
who
too.
did that perfectly?
That's good. And
Thank you. All of them. They said, good
Ah.
job.
Woo.
They put it on the bottom.
I
They were all looking at it.
Yep.
Supposed to smell.
It means it's very good.
Okay.
Hoy! Ihap pa hitik. Stop now.
There you go.
Cheater! I can't feel!
Yup.
Alright, no feeling. No, I'm trying.
Ano?
Just a little. There.
Wow. Yeah, it's next. Yeah. How many spin per Jenny? Spin. There. This. Yeah, it's gonna be easy. Let's see. Look. Wow, that's good. Yeah.
Hands out. Hey, Bob.
I got it. Put the carrot on it.
See, he's still like I did.
Whoop.
No.
Okay. Yeah. You can smear it in a tree. Very fun.
We should have given his name on. You want to know where you I think that you said it 20 times. Okay, now go.
And then I'll be parked on the milk.
Look.
You're leading me down to the bathroom.
Don't feel like you can feel. Stop feeling. You know what he's going for. Good Lord, you're disgusting. You put it on the edge of
Where's your ramen? Put his finger on the
We'll help her too.
Mom, I will leave you. I will
Hit hard.
Where's the rifle? Let me grab it.
Hit it hard. Get him off.
Right on your own?
You just get a stick.
Whoop!
There you go. Go again.
Whoop!
Yeah.
Woohoo!
You got it. Yeah. Again.
Who's this one?
Wait, we need.
Whoop! Whoa! Whoop!
Yeah. Well, we
Whoop! Whoop! Matias! Whoop! Woohoo! Matias, watch out! Whoop!
No way. Okay.
Whoop! It's almost.
One job. Make the kid fail.
Whoop!
Stop. We should let Eloise go grab it.
Oh.
Nice shot.
Whoop!
All right, so they grab some of that. Wait, let the little ones get some too. Let Ezekiel get some. Take it.
Si Elsa.
Wait, you're gonna walk out the cliff. Oh, he pointed you at the cliff. Look out. Go to your left. Oh.
Whoop!
Wait, watch out.
Watch out, Matias!
Oh my gosh.
Eloise, get another turn.
Oh, man.
Wow, there's some more in there. Where'd it go, Dad?
Woohoo! Lots of candies. Wow, Ezekiel!
Another load under here.
Load. Up, there's more. Who's gonna get this?
I mostly leaves.
Up, right there.
I mostly
Candy.
leaves.
That smells weird down there.
Up, Skittles. Mom, there's Skittles. Wow! You got Skittles? Good job, guys. Eloise got a lot of candy.
Yeah, he's got plenty.
Yeah. Oh, there's more here. Oh. What's this one? Eloise, that's a lot of candy. Fun part doing a lot of candies, man. Kids.
He grabbed it out of my hands. He put it in her bag. Yes, you were in love.
If it is Eloise.
Well, it looked like she had nothing, but this is so bad.
I didn't put more candy in the eggs.
Yeah, look at. There's a lot of candy already.
See that? She told me, so I. Oh, your feelings are fun running.
To you. Happy birthday. Oh, yeah, she's ready. Oh. She's in balance.
Yo.
Wonder who the real Eloise will please stand on.
Hi, Elsa.
You want a cake instead? You gonna eat some?
The yummy Matias. Yeah, yummy. You promise. Auntie is kuan pa. Dagran na oh. Have stuff for Easter.
Oh, it's so cute.
You like that?
Nice. Oh,
Or that's a, look at that's a
that cool.
donkey? Okay, because this is an extra one. I should see if the other ones.
That's a nice one. Eloise, I'm already too.
Oh, here, let's take this out. He wants the donkey.
Yeah, look at the teeth.
He's funny. Actually, I like him.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys can take the bubbles and go outside.
Yep.
You want me to take? You want to?
Matthias, you can have that one.
No, thank you, Matias.
There's no candy though.
Goodie bag, Ezekiel. Oh, play the... Yeah, not yet, sir. Maybe just play in the house. Yeah, at home. At home, because we need to find the eggs. Auntie Jenny have some eggs.
But there's
Mr. Egg Hunt.
There's a lot of them. It's okay. There's a lot of them.
Go, Eloise, go! Oi! Oh, go! Ezekiel, go! Oh, that shiny one. Look. That's cool. Woohoo! Oh, that's a cute one. Eloise. Oh, there's lots in here. Here, oh.
Oh my goodness, Miss Weed.
Does she have a lot?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
There's a lot more.
Now you have to find
Yep.
it yourself, 'cause you're
Yep.
good. Okay, no, go.
Woohoo! What you got?
You want to do that picture?
Okay.
Somebody got your chair.
Did you help hide?
Where's Ephraim going? Oh.
Okay.
Daxton and Matthias wants man very hard. Just go in the back. Just to give it to Eloise.
Go through and make sure everyone has an okay amount and no one has too much. Nias is giving them to you.
He's working for Eloise. Yes! You got lots! Wow! Oi! She wants to, yep. She's giving a lot of fun stuff.
Not giving me any money, and I'm like, she goes, no, you didn't. I did, but it didn't.
Look at this too.
And then it's like I've been in line for a long time.
Hoy! This store is like Tagalong. Hoy! Hoy! Going on to Jenny. Howie! Wow! Got a lot of eggs. He's been getting for wow, you got lots. Yay! Stop. Here, Miss Asian Mark. Oh, goy, nanghingog mo. Si Booger. Palit sa snacks. It's been a while. No fighting lagi. What's that, love? Chili sauce. Chili sauce. Fighting, oy? We do. We have one pack that we didn't get. Pansit Canton. And quick chow. Let's go. Oy. Oy. Go, let go. Manamig loto. Ay, manamig pamalingke.
Stop.
Nagpalit-palit og Filipino style spaghetti sauce. Untag maluto og pinatama. Dili pinataka. Try ko ana. Tapos hindi opening hotdog. Hotdog ko lang nalagang beef. Hotdog. Hey! Hoy! Joko. Yan. Mulang na. Itong pamalingke. Kimigaw pa si Tanto naman.
Let's get it. That's the corn dog I just got.
Hoy! Mangulit na ta, mangulit na. Here kami sa Asian store. So we're going home na, guys. So are you guys have fun today? It's birthday. Look at Matthias. Matthias, you have fun? Hoy! Look at their Easter egg candy. Oh, that's from Eloise Piñadas. That's a candy. Guys, is Eloise's birthday is fun? Yep. So we really have celebrated Eloise's birthday today. Happy birthday, baby girl. Our baby doll of the family. This one, just eating. And happy Easter, everyone. Bye bye, guys. So this is the end of our vlog today's video. Bye bye, guys. Have a blessed Easter Sunday. Say bye bye, Matthias. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Here you go. So today, guys, they got Ezekiel got a $4 from the Easter egg hunt. From Auntie Jenny and Uncle Glenna's Easter egg hunt. And Matthias got $3 plus being a good boy to Daddy. Daddy get him being a good boy today. And Ezekiel to Daddy add him $1. One lang kay baby pa man. Wow. And Matthias got $3 from the Easter eggs. Yeah, go right there. Look, like brother doing. Look, you need to fold very small. Like that. Look at brother. Brother did it.
Yeah, this.
You guys are rich today. Yeah, like that. Nope. Here, Matthias, go put your... Good job, Ezekiel.
Yeah, did you?
Yep, hold it. They're very rich today. Yeah? Lot money in the Easter egg.
I found this one in the bed.
Good, just put it in your thing. Yep.
Look,
Yeah, this is Matthias, Super Pig, and the Monkey Bank for Ezekiel. Last one. Good job. Let's put in here, okay? Mommy put you guys in your desk. Okay, good job, my love. Dali ni sa ilang desk. Ay, sa ilang drawer. Oh, si Monkey o si Super Pig. Yung books ni Daddy. Ilang books. Yung mga binabasa ni Daddy every night.
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.